travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not here, okay, let's try that again. Hello TL travelers, welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are not new here, then welcome back. Today we are in Railay in Thailand, and we are going on a bit of a hike. So if you're not familiar with the area of Railay, it's not technically an island. Well, it's not an island at all. It is on the mainland, but it is accessible only by boat. So we are here for a few nights, and there are a few different things that you can do while you're staying in Railay. One of those things is a viewpoint hike that is, I don't want to say that it's strenuous, because it's really not. Like, it's pretty vertical, and you use like ropes and stuff to get up there, and it can be a little bit challenging if it's like wet out and muddy and stuff like that. But it is fairly short. It's like probably, I would say, I don't know, 15 minutes hike up for a beautiful view, and it hasn't rained in a little while, so it is nice and dry, and it's a perfect day to do it. Hot, sunny, all that good stuff. So we are going to be heading out to do that hike now, and I'm going to take you with me. Started my day in the pool, if you're wondering what's up, and probably will finish our day in the pool, but we have lots of fun stuff to share with you in Railay, so if you've not hit that subscribe button, definitely do it. We are at the start of our travels through Thailand, or about halfway through our travels through Thailand, and we're on to Bali next, so there's tons of content coming your way, and yeah, that's it. So let's get hiking. These are for sure not going to work. Sneakers are definitely mandatory for this one.
We're going up there?
Yeah.
Sick.
Nice moves there.
Woo! On a mountain.
Mid-hike moves. We made it. Will the camera adjust? Okay, so we are back from our hike now. I'm only wearing my sports bra, so that's decent. I am clearly a sweaty mess, which is to be expected after that hike, especially in this heat. It is so hot out right now. And one of the both pros and cons about the viewpoint hike in Railay is that it's completely covered over. So you're out of the sun, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about getting sunburned. However, you are also completely covered over, so there's no breeze or anything either. So it's like a dead heat sort of situation. I want to say we were 20 minutes up and 15 minutes coming down as far as the timing goes. But you can definitely if you're an experienced climber or a good climber, even, you could definitely do it in a shorter amount of time. I don't know if you guys could tell from the video footage, because obviously climbing and taking video at the exact same time is not necessarily the safest move when you're using ropes to climb vertically up a limestone cliff, but they do have some rope grips there to assist you if that's something that you need. There is also a hike down to a lagoon that's very beautiful, but one of the ladders broke at some point during the season, so they have closed that hike. So we just decided, you know what, we're not going to risk it. We're just gonna skip the lagoon hike, do the viewpoint, and come back. So the plan now is, I think I'm probably gonna either shower or take a quick jump in the pool, because I need to cool off for sure. And then there is a little bar that we absolutely love here in Railay called, I want to say it's called Movie Bar, but I never actually confirmed the name of it, because that's the thing. So if I'm wrong with Movie Bar, I'll put the actual name of it down below. But the bartenders there are absolutely phenomenal, and it's just like a really fun place to chill and hang out. So we are gonna go over to Movie Bar, and I'm gonna visit some old friends of mine, and we are going to have some drinks and laughs and all of that fun stuff this afternoon and just like chill out. So we will just, yeah, do that now. I like that surprise. Hi.
Get drunk?
We can't get drunk yesterday?
You?
Yeah. Today? Yeah. Sounds good.
My girl.
Good morning.
Jenny! And we are back at the room now. That afternoon was pretty great. It's always so much fun to come back to Railay for me because there are people here, similar to like Chiang Mai. If you guys saw my Chiang Mai videos, I have people here that I know and that like I like to come and visit. Ironically, one of the guys that I was really hoping to see while I was down here is currently in Alberta, which is where I'm from, so that worked out that way, which is ridiculous. However, we did have the opportunity to hang out and have some drinks with Ginny, who is one of the bartenders down here, and she's just like, just the best. So the group got to meet her and we got to spend the afternoon and just chill out. I feel like this group has been super active as far as going out and doing like activities and seeing things and island hopping and boat trips and all that kind of stuff in our last two sort of stops. So Bangkok and Phuket can be like, you know, they're pretty busy, pretty active areas. And while there is a ton of stuff to do in Railay as far as like rock climbing goes and boat trips and all that kind of stuff, like that still exists here, it's also a really great place to just like unwind and chill a little more. So we are just getting ready to go out and grab a bite to eat. The sun is going to be going down here pretty soon, so I'm going to end this video here. If you've not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it. Hit that notification bell as well, because hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. And until I see you guys in my next video, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you next time.